All right. Now for clients that are running display or video ads, we want to run a placements report. So we go here. Look at the last 2 weeks, export this, Google Sheets. Open the sheet. Data, sort range by cost, high to low. Let's just remove this. About $24 here. Which campaign is this? So you can see our display campaigns are showing up on these two sites. So you kind of want to see what sites they are. Accountancy knowledge. So this is one of them. Oh, that's another one. Cool. And I sort of want to do a bit adjustment on these. And honestly, you can do it from here. So bid just adjustment. Honestly, on this one, I don't really like it. Minus 15. I'll just do -5 on this. I kind of like, um, so if I look at this YouTube video, it's not bad. Oh, this is a good one. I really like this one. I'm gonna bid up 15% on this. I'll bid up 10%. So this is one placement you want to show the client. I think this is a good one. Placements, you can just go like this. And just go like that. Some of the top placements, you just kind of want to show them. This is one of the videos. have ad blocker on. Oh, I want to bid up on these. I think this one's like -5. And then, okay, so you can see I just analyzed those and I just put them in there for the client. Uh, Now we're going to want to bulk upload some of these bid adjustments here. So we have these bid adjustments. Copy this. So placements, let's see if we can make multiple changes and do a bid adjustment on these placements. Process. It looks like you can't do bid adjustments like this because it thinks it's like a website. So our best bet, mm, so your best bet is honestly to probably just look at these sites. Hmm. Yeah, so your best bet is honestly to just look at the names and then look at the data here. And if it looks really good, just do a bid adjustment of like 15% or so. Just apply it. And then ones that don't look that great, maybe do a decrease of 15%. Apply. All of these things are getting views. Let's see, impressions. We can increase. These seem really good, so I'll apply. So that's, you just basically look at those, um, look in the Google UI and kind of update it like that. Give the client some placements. And that's a rough and dirty how to do it.